So now looking at the statistics that we have globally, for every child, that is, for every 10 children that are born, one is preterm. But then again, what is really discouraging is majority of these preterm babies are born in sub-Saharan Africa, of which Kenya is part. Now, the Ministry of Health plus other partners have actually put in a lot of measures and a number of interventions that we refer to as low-cost and high-impact interventions to ensure that these children survive and thrive up to adulthood. And some of these interventions are basically geared towards addressing the weaknesses that these children are born with. When you have a child who is born preterm, they have undeveloped lungs, so the breathing becomes a problem. The respiratory center in the brain is also not well developed. So how do we prevent preterm babies? Before a mother conceives, we advise them to ensure that they have a health check, ensure that their weight is optimal, they have good BMI, to ensure that they do not have lifestyle chronic diseases like diabetes or hypertension. And where they have been found to have these chronic conditions, then they need to be put in high-risk clinics and a closer follow-up by a specialized doctor.